I think the story of the day that you guys told me that I won the award would be perfect, because I thought all of that secrecy that was going on was something else. Everybody was like hush hush talking amongst themselves, and I was just trying to figure out, I have that mind that, oh, something's going on, nobody's telling me something. So started out as a normal year, just being me, just going through the floor, interacting with the people, making sure that everybody feels comfortable, but also is communicated with what we want them and expect them to do as well. It was around lunchtime. The person I report to had told me that we wanted to meet up to go over a meeting. And then Mark started mentioning why we were all there. And he said that morning we were proud to get the notification that I have won the Silver Toaster Award. I was a recipient. To my surprise, I had no words. I never won an award to this magnitude at all. And it was a rush of energy and emotional feelings that I had. My journey that really brought me into this started about 9 years ago. I started as an operator in the bagging department here. And I wouldn't have even known who Sanderson MacLeod was, the company that it is today, if it wasn't for my mother. And she told me, hey, Sanderson MacLeod is a company that I drive by is hiring. You should give them a call. And that kind of sparked the journey of my life here. I like to be the best at what I do and learn everything I can. I like to see how things work, kind of break it down and put it back together. Times where I've made mistakes, I wasn't discouraged. I was shown how to learn from the mistakes and grow with it. I want to be that person for the next generation as well. I want to be there to shepherd them through the rough times, because success isn't something that's easy to explain, but if you work for it, it's easy to attain. It doesn't feel like I'm a number or a cog in the machine. It feels like I'm part of an actual team. It's a 50-50 relationship, and I always like to look at it as you give 100%, I also have to give 100% back. And I can tell you this company is different. It stands above the rest. But I gotta tell you one thing, I'm never gonna look at a Silver Toaster the same again.